Namaskar, Adab, myself Dr. Santosh, welcoming you all to my YouTube channel Dr. Santosh Kumar Pai. As you know, I have started this English series of videos for those people who couldn't understand Hindi language, which I have made so many videos previously in my YouTube channel and uploaded them. And I have also done so many lives. Still now I'm continuing them, but I am now uploading these English videos for those people. Those of my friends who are remaining outside India and couldn't understand Hindi language properly. For them, I'm just making these English videos so that these benefits of the homeopathy treatment could spread throughout the world properly, and they got benefited by using these homeopathic medicines. So today, in the series of my English videos, I want to discuss something about the rheumatoid arthritis. Most of the allopathic doctors say it is an autoimmune disorder. Well, all the joints of the body got affected. But one specific point here I want to point out that there should not be autoimmune disease unless we have made it some unlawful situation, unconditional situation, so that our immunity got weakened day by day. Why our immunity got so many this worst situation, so that our body got affected by these type of autoimmune disease? They tell so many diseases that autoimmune disease, just like the psoriasis, the rheumatoid arthritis, and many more. When our body, here we have to understand one thing, that when there is a situation started, when our body got diseased internally, our immune system got weakened by the environmental conditions or by using some toxins in our food, maybe some medications, wrong medications. Those are affected by so many allopathic drugs also. So our immunity system got weakened day by day. And after this situation, some autoimmune disorders started. So if we use homeopathic medicines at the starting of the disease, we got beautiful results. The disease condition cannot be reached at the height of structural changes, so that they need an operation and some more structural changes, and this restricted movement are started in rheumatoid arthritis. I know many people of the world had got affected by this rheumatoid arthritis, and they are using painkillers, anti-inflammatory drugs day by day. Many anti-inflammatory drugs. Some people I know using 3 to 4 painkillers, and by using these painkillers, they know all these painkillers are harmful for their body, but to reduce the pain, to reduce the suffering for the pain, they are bound to use these painkillers. But these painkillers only suppresses the pain. You have to understand this properly. It could not cure the disease by root, only suppresses the pain. For example, while we are going to extract the tooth, some injection is given in our gums to just reduce the pain. It is just like the anesthesia, the local anesthesia given by the dentist to reduce the pain while extracting the teeth. Just the same way, these painkillers not only reduces the pain, it could not be cured properly the disease. It makes the disease incurable in the future. It paralyzes some of our nerves, which transfers the pain sensation to our brain. It could not relieve the pain. It don't at all relieve the pain. You have to understand this properly. Apart from that, it also makes a most harmful effect on our body. It affects the kidney, it affects the liver. The toxic effect of our body, as the mostly antidotes by the liver, which is the vital organ of our body. But when the toxins got accumulated with a large, huge quantity, the liver, kidney both are affected. And the same thing is happened in using painkillers and the antibiotics while you are using them for so many years. So many people are suffering from these kidney diseases and these liver diseases. That's why I am here to suggest you to the reducing the painkillers. Just start the homeopathic medicines as soon as possible. Here I will suggest you some 3 to 4 beautiful homeopathic medicines so that you could get relief while if you use in the starting stage of the disease. In most advancing stages also, you can use these homeopathic medicines at the side by side of the allopathic medicines. In most advanced stages, when you got so many severe pain, you can use allopathic medicines along with these homeopathic medicines. And after some days, when you got relief for the pain, you have to reduce the doses of the allopathic medicines and continue the homeopathic medicines for some months or maybe some years. By the time you will see the natural reformation of the cartilages, reformation of the synovial fluid which is lost previously by using these allopathic drugs, you can got beautiful relief. And after 1 or 2 years, these pains got permanently relieved without using any painkillers or steroids or maybe antibiotics or some anti-inflammatory drugs. That's why here I have made this video to suggest you some beautiful homeopathic medicines. Let's start the homeopathic medicines procedures. I will detailedly explain you about them. The most fundamental medicines are the mother tinctures, which are basically used to reduce the pain and swelling of the rheumatoid arthritis. There are 3 basic mother tinctures. One is Haemusa, second is Rastrix, and third is Ruta. These 3 are the basic mother tinctures used to reduce the pain, swelling and all types of inflammations around the joints. You can mix them equally and take 20 drops 3 times a day with a cup of warm water. It should be taken half an hour after food. And along with them, you could externally use Glutheria oil, which is also available in mother tinctures. You can use that by mixing in oil also. So massage is properly for 5 to 10 minutes at night at bedtime. Once a day it is sufficient. So these 4 are the basic mother tinctures. 3 are internally taken and 1 Glutheria oil. It is used externally for massage of the joints. And let's talk about something dilution form that is used in 30 potency. Pulsatilla and Kaliaud. These 2 are the beautiful diluted medicines, potency medicines, which can effectively used in all types of rheumatoid arthritis, mostly when the knee joints are affected. You have seen so many cases that the knees are swollen, stiffness is there, they cannot be moved properly, restricted in movements, they cannot sit properly, they cannot walk properly. So in this type of effusion of the knee, stiffness of the knee, the Pulsatilla and Kaliaud is very much effective in 30 dilutions, potencies. These can be taken 2 times each in a day. Means morning 2 times and evening 2 times. If you are using Pulsatilla at 7 am, use Kaliaud at 8 am. Same way, in the evening also, you should use Pulsatilla 30 7 pm and Kaliaud 30 8 pm. If in this way they are used, after some days you will see beautiful improvement in your position in your rheumatoid arthritis pain. Both these potencies dilutions can be used 4 to 5 drops in empty stomach directly on your tongue. If you are so sensitive, you can take them with water also. 2 spoons of water, mix them 4 to 5 drops and take it 2 times as I previously explained. So while you are using these homeopathic medicines, you need not be worried about any side effect, because homeopathic medicines have no at all side effects. You can use them along with the allopathic medicines as I have told before. You need not be worried if someone told you that while taking these medicines mixed with each other, there may be some reactions. You need not be worried, because I have prescribed, I have used, I have experience of 15 years. I have experimented them on my patients, so many patients. I do not have any side effect. They all are using in the primary stages both the allopathic medicines and homeopathic medicine side by side, but do not got any side effect. So you need not worry about that. Here I advise all of my viewers, all of my patients to just start the homeopathic medicine as soon as possible. If you do not got these medicines in your locally medicines pharmacy, you can then order online also. So finally, I advise all of you to just start these homeopathic medicines which I have mentioned previously as soon as possible, so that the structural changes could not be reached at the early stages. And as you know, when the structural changes started, operation is the final thing. But here also, unless you want to do these operations, they cannot be permanently cure all these diseases. After operation also, I have seen so many patients, the pains are reduced, but the restriction in their movement is started. They could not walk properly, they could not do their necessary things properly. There is restriction on movement. The used steel or plastic cartilages which are operated in place of these knee joint or some other joints, they are restricted movement. They cannot walk properly, they cannot do their natural things properly. So previously the structural changes are occurred. You should use this homeopathic medicine to got relief from all those pains, and you should not do the operation unless you are suffering from so many pain, unbearable pain. So that's it for now. Here I reached the conclusion part of my video, and I appeal all of my viewers to share my video so that many people throughout the world got benefited by these homeopathic medicines. So namaskar, adab, please keep sharing, and those are newly watching my videos, please subscribe my channel, that is Dr. Santosh Kumar Padi. Namaskar, good night.